Everybody, a very good evening. Actually, it's good evening, 12:20 p.m. by the watch. I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions and stuff. So, as always, a cheers to you on a lovely, relaxing chai. In midnight when it's really cold in Delhi, and people like me and a lot of people are a little under the weather. You got to take precautions and stuff. So have some ginger chai, have some dalchini in it, and have some black pepper or whatever works for you and stuff. And of course, keep close to yourself paper napkins, tissue papers, and handkerchiefs and stuff because the weather's changing and stuff, and it's getting people down. It's not the pollution, okay? So I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of Arm Decor and Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. So we do interior solutions, and I offer consultancy in business management and interior furniture, corporate gifting, and art and installations and stuff. We have our own collection and our own range of furniture, which is sofas. We have lamps, mirrors, consoles, center tables. There are beds. There are dining tables with chairs and stuff. Then there are some exotic semi-precious stone items which are like trays, and they are, of course, coasters, and then they are picture frames, and there's cutlery, and then there are, these Japanese sushi and confectionery serving, what do you call them? Yeah, I've forgotten the forgotten the correct term because it's not about the semi-precious stones and stuff. But yes, of course. I mean, you're basically going to be serving sushi, so it's basically for confectionery and stuff and all that. And this is an unedited one. I'm Justin Kapani, and then they are interesting soda makers. We have art and installation also. We've got jewelry boxes. We've got stuff in marble. My friends from Africa love the marble frames and the coasters and stuff. Our pricing is definitely lower and quality is different than what you have on certain online portals and stuff. Some of the stuff with me and my collection is very. I mean, it's a very decent price compared to what you have at the high-end showrooms and markets international and in Bombay and in Delhi and stuff. I wouldn't be sharing the insights of the pricing and stuff like that, but quality is definitely something which we work on and stuff. So now, coming to the main objective, winters are a time when people spend a lot of time at their home and stuff, and laziness or procrastination comes in, and you don't feel like stepping out, you don't feel like going to the gym. But one thing is really important is you have to kind of take care of your self and your hygiene and bathing. Very important to stay alert, very important to stay clean. So it starts from the washrooms. So in India and in many countries, people don't pay so much of attention, or they pay a lot of attention to the washrooms and stuff like that. So you have this science called Feng Shui, and you have in India you got Vastu Shastra. So what happens is that people like to maintain their rooms, people like to maintain their kitchens, people like to maintain their study places, people like to maintain their workspaces and stuff like that. But when it comes to the washrooms, they just kind of don't get it right. Okay, so I'm not talking about some exotic or some high-end luxury washrooms and stuff. I'm talking about houses which are apartments or villas, or maybe your washrooms in the offices and stuff, or where you stay. So some basic tips which will definitely help you. And of course, if you got like a high-end luxury apartment, or you got, let's say, a penthouse, or you got, let's say, a farmhouse and stuff, then all these factors are roped in. But little tips, which will help you kind of have the positive energy happening in your house, and to keep your spirit up. I wouldn't be using the word mood, but yes, of course, the ambience of the washroom also matters and stuff. And you kind of want to spend more time in the washroom looking after yourself, and kind of I mean, a positive space definitely works. So watch my next video for this, okay?